Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking compatibility and updates. Confirm your Kenwood model lists Apple CarPlay, then download and install the latest firmware because CarPlay often arrives via system updates. Once done, make sure your iPhone runs iOS 13 or newer, Siri is enabled, and CarPlay is allowed in settings. Prepare a high-quality Lightning cable or enable wireless pairing if your Kenwood supports wireless CarPlay. This gets both devices ready and prevents common connection failures before you move on to pairing. Now you connect and configure CarPlay. If using a cable, plug it into the Kenwood USB port labeled for smartphone or CarPlay. If wireless, enable Kenwood's wireless or Bluetooth pairing mode and open Bluetooth on your iPhone. Next, on the head unit, select Smartphone Connection, then Apple CarPlay. On the iPhone, go to Settings, General CarPlay, and pick the Kenwood device. You may be asked to allow CarPlay while locked. Allow it. Adjust display and audio source settings on the receiver so CarPlay becomes the active input. Finish by testing core functions. Launch Maps, make a call, send a message, and play audio to verify sound and touchscreen control. If CarPlay won't connect, try a different Apple-certified cable or alternate USB port. Power cycle both the Kenwood and the iPhone, then re-attempt pairing. Make sure Bluetooth and Siri are enabled. If problems persist, reset iPhone network settings or perform a factory reset on the Kenwood as a last resort, but back up presets first. This approach resolves most stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.